Well, nobody's been punished for a concert that drew a crowd of 2,000 people in Hudson. And the reason? Well, Hudson happens to be in Weld County. Here's Denver 7's Sean Toll.
2,000 people in a field for a concert. It's against the public health order, but in Weld County,
the position that the sheriff's office has taken has been the same since the pandemic started. The way we see it as an executive order is not the same thing as a law passed by the state legislature.
That's the voice of the Weld County Sheriff Public Information Officer. Denver 7 tried numerous times to contact members of the county government.
You have reached Mike Freeman.
Made a number of calls.
Hi, you've reached Jennifer Finch, Information Specialist.
And went to the offices. But none of our calls or emails were returned.
They look at it and they say, who's going to enforce it? And the answer is supposed to be probably local law enforcement. Well, they are local law enforcement.
Kyler Mead covers the county for the Greeley Tribune and says that lack of real enforcement from the state is the key factor here.
Because Denver has not come down with any kind of hammer on them, they've been able to kind of just skate and do their own thing.
We asked the governor's office what enforcement, if any, will be done to those who don't comply. The statement we received from a spokesperson was, quote, "We are examining all options on how to increase enforcement and compliance of the public health order. The public health order is in place to protect all Coloradans and our economy. Attending large gatherings doesn't put just yourself at risk, but also puts your job and your family at risk." But Mead adds,
I would imagine that they would say, look, we are looking at numbers declining in Weld County, and clearly everything that we're doing here is working. And it's hard to argue with them because numbers are declining in Weld County.
Which could set up a showdown if the state does come down with the hammer. Sean Toll, Denver 7.
And several times we have asked to interview the man recently chosen to run Weld County's health department. That request has been denied. Commissioners also have been quite reluctant to speak with us, but our invitation stands.